How to pitch Wix Studio to different types of clients. Not every client gives a rip what platform you build their website on. Some, they just want the job done right, on time, on budget, and not to hate you by the end of the project. Cool? Use whatever you want. Build it on toast if you must. But others, they've got opinions. Maybe they've been burned before. Maybe they've Googled, is Wix professional? And found a Reddit thread from 2011. Maybe their cousin's nephew's dog walker built them a Wix site once, and it was bad. So yeah, sometimes you gotta reframe it. Here's how I do that, depending on who's sitting across the table. The design first client. Make it sexy. These are your vibe people. They care about the feels, the scroll, the hover effect that makes them whisper, ooh. So I say, Wix Studio gives me full control to make it feel custom. No cookie cutters here. Think animations, motion, layout freedom, precision styling. It's a design playground without any guardrails. Then I show them. A slick build in action usually shuts down the doubters. The operations brain. But how will it work? They don't care about fonts. They want to know it won't break when 500 people book at once or when they need multi-locale pricing. So I'll tell them, we're building around your business, not trying to cram it into a template. Bookings, memberships, e-com, multi-language, it's all baked into this tool and platform. One platform, fewer headaches. Plus, there's no plugin messing around and dinking around with the login jungle. Everything just works. The SEO geek. Will this rank? Some don't get SEO, but they want to do SEO. Others are knee-deep in GSC reports. I don't over-explain. I'll just say something like, Wix Studio was built with Google in the loop. They're buddies, okay? Structured data redirects, performance tweaks, custom meta. I mean, it's all here out of the box. And if they still feel a little skittish, 40% of Wix traffic is organic. Google's own search advocate recommends it. This ain't 2015 Wix. Boom. The content manager. We've got a lot of content. These clients have 274 blog posts, 3 authors, a YouTube backlog, and a team of interns who need access, but not too much access. I'll explain it like this. We'll set it up with Wix Studio's CMS. That means your team can update content without touching the design. You've got custom roles, permissions, workflows, it's all baked into the platform. They want power and guardrails. Wix Studio gives them both. The security warrior. Is it safe? The more enterprise the client, the more this comes up. So I'll keep it simple. Security, hosting, performance, all handled at the platform level. You get SSL, DDoS protection, global infrastructure, the works. It's not a hobby site setup. Then I'll add something like, Wix handles 258 million users. We focus on your build. They keep it safe. Peace of mind, baked right in. The integration addict. Does it connect with insert whatever tool here? Look, they've got tools and they love their tools. CRM, email, analytics, lead tracking, caffeine, IV drip, you name it. I'll hit them with Wix Studio connects with most major platforms out of the box. And if we need custom, we've got APIs. I've done it before. Translation, they don't have to ditch what works. We'll just plug it in. The scale obsessed. But what happens when we grow? This is your SaaS founder, online course platform, or future unicorn. I'd go straight to something like this. Wix Studio handles 4.5 billion requests a day, built on Google Cloud plus US. Whether you've got 10 visitors or 100,000, it keeps up and keeps fast. They don't need the tech rundown. They need to know they won't outgrow it. The DIY skeptic. Wait, isn't Wix like DIY? The classic objection. I'd say Wix Studio is not your cousin's wedding website. It's a pro-grade platform made for agencies and busy freelancers. This isn't drag and drop. It's dev tools, custom code, AI assistance, responsive behavior, advanced permissions. It's pro with polish. Then I'd show them what's possible. And the Wix stigma melts away. You're not selling a platform. You're selling results. Pitch the outcome, paint the picture, then pull back the curtain, let Studio shine.